All right, so the first question in the new set of questions is the following. In contrast with the instances of individual languages, dialects, varieties, etc., there are also abstract sense of language, which is called the language faculty. The next question has two assertions. The first assertion, the term stage in child language literature has been used in the sense of a point on a continuum and also in the sense where we build upon the continuity requirement and add a new requirement that the continuity has been halted. The second assertion is that there is no other use of the term to add a restriction to the true already mentioned, which restricts the term stage to cases where the behavior that has plateaued is expected to change again at some later time. Now, I don't get the sense of what these assertions are trying to convey. Now, I want you to go ahead and elaborate both of these assertions, and I think both of these are true. No, one is true, but two is false. So, I also want you to explain why the second assertion is incorrect.
Let's break down these assertions one at a time. Assertion 1. The term stage in child language literature has been used in the sense of a point on a continuum, and also in the sense where we build upon the continuity requirement and add a new requirement that the continuity has been halted. This assertion is saying that in the study of child language development, the word stage can refer to two things. First, it can refer to a position on a continuum, which implies a gradual, continuous progression in development. Second, it can also refer to a specific point where this continuous progression has paused or stopped for a moment, marking a more distinct phase. Assertion 2. There is no other use of the term to add a restriction to the two already mentioned, which restricts the term stage to cases where the behavior that has plateaued is expected to change again at some later time. This second assertion is claiming that the term stage is not used in any other way than the two mentioned above. However, this statement is false because it ignores an important aspect of what stage can mean in child language development. Why assertion 2 is incorrect. While the first assertion captures two common uses of the term stage, it misses out on a third potential meaning, which is about anticipating future changes. When we say a child's development has reached a stage, it often implies not just that development has paused or plateaued, but also that this plateau is temporary and will eventually lead to further changes or progress. For instance, a child might be in a stage of using single words. While this stage is a point on a continuum and can be seen as a temporary halt in progression, of future change, crucial part of understanding what stage can mean. So assertion 2 is incorrect because it doesn't